Hi everyone, today I'm here at Kmart and I'm buying things for my friend's birthday. So here I've got a bag, a candy machine, and a card. And that's what I have so far, but I'm gonna still get some more things. Bye! See me go around the whole thing. Don't bye. Happy birthday, the present for you. I at the shop and I got new present for you. And I got you some deal stuff for you. Bye. I need to tell something. We actually my parents, it's kids, they're doing something else, and I at the noodle shop eating some full fields. You are ready? Okay, bye. Put that one.